Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Life2Experience. Today we are off on an exciting road trip to Chikmagalur, the coffee capital of India. But wait, we got a little surprise detour planned along the way. So we are currently driving through the beautiful roads of Karnataka, and guess what? We found out about a hidden gem not too far from our route, the Windmill Temple in Hassan district. It's about 30 kilometers from Hassan and just 8 kilometers off the highway. We're taking a slight detour, but trust us, it's totally worth it. Let's go explore. The drive to the temple is absolutely breathtaking. You can spot windmills towering over the hills, and the cool breeze is a perfect companion for this serene journey. The vehicle can be easily driven until the top of the hill. The roads are quite wide and can be easily driven. And there is a parking space as well where you can park your vehicle and climb about 20 to 30 steps to reach to the temple. And here we are, the Windmill Temple. Nestled amidst the majestic wind turbines, this place is a unique blend of spirituality and modern energy. Let's take a closer look. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple's peaceful vibe combined with the hum of the windmills make this a one-of-a-kind experience. It's not just a place of worship, it's also a perfect spot to soak in some stunning views and click some amazing pictures. We have spent a little time here and we are already feeling refreshed. It's amazing how such detours add so much value to your travel. If you are ever passing through this area, the Windmill Temple is a must visit. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories and hidden gems. See you.
So this original voice illede ನೋಡಿ.
Okay then, see you. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.